An Indian passport is both your ticket to the world and powerful proof of citizenship. And getting one is now a largely online process. Here is your complete guide: documents, fees, appointments, and timelines. Any Indian citizen can apply. For minors below 18, a parent or legal guardian applies on their behalf. The process is governed by the Passports Act 1967 and the Passport Rules 1980. Most people need the ordinary passport, dark blue cover, 36 or 60 pages, valid 10 years for adults and 5 for minors. The white cover official passport and maroon-covered diplomatic passport are for government officials and diplomats. You will need proof of date of birth, such as a birth certificate, school leaving certificate, or matriculation certificate. Proof of present address, like Aadhaar, a utility bill not older than 3 months, a bank passbook, voter ID, or a registered rental agreement. And identity proof: Aadhaar, PAN, voter ID, or a driving license. Changed your name after marriage? Carry the marriage certificate and updated Aadhaar or Gazette notification. For minors, submit the birth certificate and the parents' passports, if available. For a reissue, bring the old passport. And since the exact list can vary, use the Document Advisor tool on the portal to generate a customized checklist. Visit passportindia.gov.in and register with your email. Log in, click Apply for Fresh Passport or Reissue of Passport, and fill the form. Personal details, family details, present and permanent address, and an emergency contact. Review it carefully, because errors cause delays later at the Passport Seva Kendra. Pay the fee online. 1,500 rupees for a normal 36-page passport with 10-year validity. 2,000 for the 60-page booklet. Tatkal applications cost an additional 2,000 on top. Pay by net banking, cards, or UPI. Then book an appointment at your nearest Passport Seva Kendra or Post Office Passport Seva Kendra. On the day, carry original documents and self-attested photocopies. You move through 3 counters. Counter A verifies documents. Counter B captures biometrics, photograph, fingerprints, and digital signature. Counter C is the final verification by the granting officer. If everything is in order, police verification is initiated. Often, the passport is issued before verification completes, called post-police verification issuance, though an adverse report can lead to impounding. A normal application is typically dispatched within 30 to 45 days of the PSK visit, including police verification time. Tatkal is faster, 1 to 3 working days if police verification is not required. For example, when you already hold a passport, and 2 to 3 weeks if police verification is required. Track your status on the portal with your application file number. Delivery is by speed post, with tracking shared over SMS and email. Documents ready. Form filled carefully. Fee paid. Appointment kept. Most applicants complete the process without difficulty. For more details, visit our website and subscribe.